Afternoon. My name is Joe Cashwell with Rotorcraft RC. A lot of people keep asking about the little ninjas that they're seeing everywhere. This is in honor of a wounded warrior, a friend of ours, Travis, that we've known for years now, known Kyle and Ethan for a long time. Was wounded in a training accident in an Osprey in Australia. It's been 200 and something days now, and he's just getting released from the rehab facility to where he's just got to go in for continuing rehab. He doesn't have to stay there 24/7 now, and thank you, Jesus, for that one. We've done a couple things. We've done some donation cases for Fun Flies and other things, trying to get awareness and also trying to gather a little bit of money for their family. So mom and dad are in Maryland, and Travis, unfortunately, is all the way over in San Antonio. So there's a lot of plane flights going back and forth. But it's a whole lot better than plane flights to Australia where the incident happened, and just everything is getting better, but we're just trying to help that family a little bit. And I say that family, it's the Reyes family. Most of y'all know Travis. He's been in the hobby family for a long time. He used to print all our graphics. So if you've been following us for 10, 11 years, all the Rotorcraft logos and everything on our cases that were decals for like the first 3.5 years. And even after that, a lot of them, Joe helped us out until we finally bought our own printer and is printing everything ourselves. And it's just our privilege to be able to print stuff for them. Because I'd pick up the phone, call Travis and Joe, and just ask them questions, and I need this, and like 3 or 4 days later, it showed up in the mail. Love them. Love them with everything we have. The whole Cashwell family, and I know the whole heli community loves them. We've been building these discharge cases. We decided to do 20. Scott and I just sat around and talked one day while we were working and came up with the magic number 20. They're numbered from 1 to 20 and actually have my signature on it. And we're only doing 20 of these, and we're doing 20 of these at a special price. So we're charging $250 for these. $100 goes to us to pay just our cost on the case and the discharger on the inside. That's what it cost us to purchase them. The deck, the vinyl, the CNC work, the graphics, the connectors, the wiring on the inside, and the labor, we're eating. And we're taking $150 of this and sending it to the Reyes family for 20 of them. It's the least we could do, and we're proud of Travis for defending this country, and U.S. Marine Corps, defending our country, and we'd like to be able to do something back for him. This is pretty neat. And actually, I think we have 3 numbers left over. So if you want one, get a hold of me. The other thing we're doing, and it was just me, Kyle, Ethan, and Scott BSing again. And we were talking about, it'd be good for hand-eye coordination for Travis is getting into simming again. So this came out of just that stupid discussion, and what we're doing is we're building a sim case. This is a 20-inch monitor on top. We have it's a Nook type computer, mini computer on the inside. Just doesn't have the name Nook on it, but it's the same specs. Bluetooth keyboard, Bluetooth trackpad. And I definitely want to give a big shout out to Buddy RC for getting us a transmitter. This is going to Bluetooth to the Nook on the inside. And this one is actually Ethan's because it has the leather on the side. But inside this box that just got here from Buddy RC, we have another 4 more discharge banks that we're putting in these cases because we were missing 4 and they got more for us. but they did give us a deal of the century on a transmitter for Travis, and I just want to give them a big shout out. The heli community has stepped up, and just so many manufacturers and so many clubs have done so much for them. It just warms me inside that this country can still be so loving sometimes with the craziness that is happening. We're going to do a standalone video on this when we get this thing finished and get it powered up. Travis, I pray for you every night, my friend. And you know, we just hope you get better and start flying sometime soon. We miss you, and we love you. Thank you very much. And by no way is this an advertisement for Rotorcraft. This is the family, the Cashwell and McWilliams families, doing this. It's got nothing to do with the company. Jacob and Ethan has been helping. Scott's been coming in on the weekends when we're not working, and we're CNCing stuff and assembling stuff, and it's just a group event. And we just want that boy back, and we want him healthy. I can't say boy. He's a freaking grown man now, and it just kills me. We love you, Travis. Oh yeah. Got a